Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm going to go over how to set up your Clickfunnels affiliate account. And I'm also going to show you how you can set up an affiliate program within Clickfunnels. Okay, but before I do that, if this is the first time you're watching me, I come out with videos like these on how to do affiliate marketing, online marketing, and I do reviews and not only with funnels, I actually started with WordPress a while ago with the health and wellness Amazon niche site, grew that, and then ever since then have been evolving. So if this is the first time, make sure you subscribe. I always come out with more videos on how to do things, on like how to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. I'll also put that in the description below. It so happens to be that Clickfunnels is a part of that. And there are so many other ways. And I'm also going to have a free course down below that's going to help you get your Clickfunnels account set up and just Clickfunnels in general set up. And it's featured by a Dream Car winner, so you're going to want to check that one out. It'll be down below, and I have so many more videos too. It's going to streamline your process, going to make everything so much easier so you don't have to worry about a thing. I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. I'm going to get on the share screen, and I'm going to show you what you need to do step by step to get signed up to become a legitimate Clickfunnels affiliate. So right now, we're inside of my post. I have my What is a Clickfunnels Affiliate Program post, and I'll link to that down below so you can know more about being a Clickfunnels affiliate. I don't want to spend so much time about how great of a program it is. I have other videos that you can get access to below down in the description, so make sure you check that out. And so you go through here, and Clickfunnels is an amazing software that really helps you connect with your audience so much more easily. Really, funnels are just, offers and messages together. And if you can connect with people and you can offer them something great, you're on your road right there. You're already, you're doing what most people are not. So I already have it right here at the beginning. So what you want to do is you want to go to whatsyourdreamcar.com, and there's a link in this right here, and I also have a link down below where you can go and get access to it. And I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. But if you haven't gotten time to see this article, go through it. I'll even explain what a sales funnel is, why you need one, what is it about, how much you can earn, the different things you can promote. There are so many books, softwares, and digital products within Clickfunnels. It's an amazing software to use and an amazing Clickfunnels affiliate program that they have. So here's more information on that if you want to get to know the earning potential on all of them and how to do them. And so I'm going to go down below here, and it explains more about the program. I always update this, but let me see if I can find the one that I need here. I want to show you a visual. I'm not trying to just go through it, but let's see. We scroll down here. Okay, this should be it. All right, so you can go to whatsyourdreamcar.com, and I'll have that below in the description so you can also get signed up. If you get signed up through my link, I'm going to give you a ton of bonuses. And I even highlight the bonuses that I'm going to give you inside of this article. I should have them in the description too as well. And I'll have a link too where you can check out all those Clickfunnels bonuses. So make sure you do that before you get signed up. But you're going to want to go, there's two different ways of doing it. You can go to clickfunnels.com, and you'll see this page right here. And then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then it'll say affiliates. So go ahead and click on affiliates, and then you'll see this page. Step 3. Now, if you are a non-Clickfunnels user, then you want to go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate on the right here. Or if you are already a Clickfunnels user, maybe you're not, so you're watching this video. So sign up to become an affiliate. And you're going to go through their application process. It's going to be like anything. If you've ever applied for an affiliate network, they're just going to ask you questions. They want to get to know who you are, what you're about, how you're going to promote them, and stuff like that. So it's very understandable, especially now, it's changed because Clickfunnels is like the best program out there as an affiliate. And so they want to make sure they have people that are serious about it, not just people who are dabbling. So if you're going to do this, my advice to you is do not dabble, do not sit on the sidelines, try and try and try, right? Don't just try one thing and then say, okay, I did it. No, you didn't. And you probably didn't even do it 100%, or you probably didn't do it repetitively. Do it over and over if you want to find success, okay? And also in my training course, that I'm going to give you down below. You can get access to that, and there's a lot more resources. You can sign up through there. Go to What's Your Dream Car, right? Or go through clickfunnels.com and go to the bottom there. Get signed up. It'll bring up the same page. Sign up to become an affiliate right there. And in a second here, I'm going to show you other screens where they go through it in video and kind of like the rules to follow and things like that. But a better alternative way to sign up, okay? At the end of the day, you're going to want to sign up to become an affiliate, so you're gonna have to go through that application process. You're still gonna have to sign up to become a What's Your Dream Car, go through that and sign up. And here's an alternative way to sign up. I have a viral affiliate machine to give you as an affiliate. That's a ready to go, done for you system with email swipes and all these other things that come with it. And I'll just show you how to use it. I have tutorial videos on it and how do you maximize it, right? At the end of the day, I gave you something done for you, but you still need to put your effort in, right? That's where most people don't do things. They just talk about it, but they never act. I consume a lot of knowledge, but I don't act on it, right? I can read so many books, and I have read so many books, but you have to act on it, right? And I'm going to walk you through, and I'm going to help you do this, so you're not going to be, left alone. So that's what I'd show you. And then there's other ways of doing it. You can read through this article. If you haven't taken that One Funnel Away challenge yet, I would highly recommend you do that if it's still available by the time you're watching this. Hopefully it is. And maybe it's gone up in price, but it's worth going through before you get a ClickFunnels affiliate account so you can understand how to use a funnel and how to position your offers, your messaging, and stuff like that, right? You want to be able to know how to use a funnel. So that's the best way to do it. And so that's going to be there. There's also the affiliate bootcamp you can take for free. Right, if you want to go and see what, I think it's about 15 super affiliates, what they would do, their strategy. You can go through the affiliate bootcamp here and just learn about it, have videos on it as well, and how to get free access to it with extra bonuses. But that's going to be in there. Okay, so now I want to show you the some of the rules that come with being a ClickFunnels affiliate. Let me see if it's this one. I'm on a different tab at the moment. That's that. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. And this is going to be the official ClickFunnels affiliate program overview. I'll also link to these, in my article, and I'll also link to them in the description. The affiliate program overview, all affiliates need to fill out and sign completed forms for the United States Internal Revenue Service, IRS. Please click the link below to complete your form digitally. I don't know if any of this has changed. I'm sure they updated a lot. The requirements tells you right here are paid after 45-day cooling off period. Need to fill out and sign completed forms again. And there's more there, but you need to sign up with Tipalti, okay? Tipalti is how you're going to get paid. That's what they get paid through, right? So register your account via the unique link in an email that was sent to you. Please see important note at the top of this article. Set up your account here with Tipalti, okay? This is where you're going to want to click. And you can also get Tipalti from, once you sign up with ClickFunnels, and you can go to your affiliate dashboard. So you're going to be on your dashboard of ClickFunnels, and at the top right, you're going to see a little image of yourself, or maybe there's no image yet, but hover over that. Underneath it, it'll say affiliates. And from there, you can go into your affiliate dashboard. It'll say go to your dashboard, I believe, and then go to your dashboard, and then it'll have your edit profile, edit settings, and then you can add, I think, your payments right there, right? It'll show your ID number, and then it'll have a edit profile, I believe it is, and then you can go through those tabs and select PayPal, I think it is, or select the payment that you want to go through, right? So, but you want to sign up with Tipalti, right? That's how you're going to get paid. Go through the ClickFunnels, What's Your Dream Car, sign up, go through the Tipalti, and get that sorted out. Sometimes you have to email ClickFunnels so they can give you a unique link to get registered with them. If you don't see it right away, that's what I had to do. So make sure you do that. Don't miss out on that step. If you don't see it, get a hold of them. But you can go through here and go through it more. And this is how the options: ACH, direct deposit, PayPal, check, international ACH, money wires. And then the FTC guidelines. Please observe the following best practices. Include the affiliate disclaimers and disclosures. That's very important. That's stuff that I come with in go ahead and give you two, but you want to make sure you have these in your funnels, income claims. You don't want to be making false income claims and doing all these other things. You want to be ethical, right? Don't presume to be something that you're not, or something that shouldn't even be there. Do not spam, don't Twitter spam or social media, but you can go through this. I'll have links on this below. So that's how you can get signed up to become a ClickFunnels affiliate. There's a huge advantage there. It's amazing. Okay. I won't go too in depth with it. I have other videos, but you have so many products that are low cost that you can bring people in, and then higher cost. And what's amazing is that you don't have to, since you don't control the cart, is what we call it, right? You don't probably own the product. Eventually, it'd be great to do that. But ClickFunnels makes it easy with Russell Brunson himself. And what he does is he upsells for you. So when somebody buys a certain product, then they get shown an upsell, then another one, and another one, and a downsell. So then you have more. If you just give away a $1 product, you can make 300, 400, or whatever that is, right? Depending on the product. So there are so many of them to choose from, which is an amazing thing, amazing feeling. You just got to put your effort in. You got to put your side. So that's how you do that. Now let me show you adding affiliate access, right? Because maybe you want to understand how to use an affiliate, do your own affiliate program thing, right? How to create an affiliate access page right here. I'm going to just turn on this video. It's a quick minute. Just watch it. And I'll link to this also below so you can see it yourself.
We are going to add the affiliate access to our existing funnel. Starting from the dashboard, we're going to navigate over Clickfunnels and then select funnels. Once we arrive on our funnel page, we're going to go ahead and select the funnel that we want to use for this process. Next, we need to add a new step. This new step will be our affiliate access. We need the name of the funnel step. We're going to go ahead and select the name that we want to use for this. We select that's the affiliate access. Then we're going to create a step. Once the funnel step has been created, we need to go here to affiliates and select templates for the access page. We have a variety of templates that you can use and customize those needs. Select the template. And congratulations, you have successfully created a affiliate access page and added it to your downloads and applications that you can use that may help you further develop your initial process of development.
Okay, so that was kind of a, just adding an affiliate access side to it. You can even, come up with your own affiliate program and have the help of ClickFunnels to do that. And if that's really what you wanted to know, you can also get a hold of me, and I'll also have more to that side. But that's what you would do. That's how you get signed up to become a ClickFunnels affiliate. How do you set up ClickFunnels affiliate? Go through the What's Your Dream Car? Or you can even go through clickfunnels.com, go to the bottom affiliates, and it'll bring you to the same page. Sign up, go through the application process, wait maybe a week or two, maybe less, more or less. It takes time, okay? You have a lot of people to go through. And so look out for your emails to get accepted in, and, with all the information and then the payouts and so forth. So that'll all be there. And then you want to sign up with Tipalti. I'll have the information here too. You can do that once you're in ClickFunnels. Go to the top right, hover over, go to affiliates, go to affiliate side, and then you should be able to, where all your links are at the very top, it'll give you your ID, and then it'll say like edit profile. You can go to PayPal or whatever that is. But get registered with Tipalti. Do it as fast as possible. You want to get paid, don't you? Okay, so make sure you do that. That's how to set up a ClickFunnels affiliate. I know it was more of a broader, it wasn't the most exciting one, but if you want to watch how to become a ClickFunnels affiliate with all the different programs, make sure you check out that article that I linked for you. And I also have other videos as well. That's a very in-depth article too. So you're going to spend some time on it, do it. Okay, even bookmark that page. It's well worth your time, right? And then the training course is down below. You can get for free. Okay, you'll get that also when you sign up with me, plus tons of bonuses that I only offer for people who sign up underneath my link. And you're gonna get exclusive training on how to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, and so many more. Okay, so many more, like make $100 a day, even without a website and stuff like that. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you for being here today. If you have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that, because I'm coming out with a lot more stuff, okay? And, you know, go through those videos that I have and take your time. You know, I want to welcome you. You're making a great decision to set up your ClickFunnels affiliate account and become a ClickFunnels affiliate. Stick with it, go through it, and it'll pay off, right? Things take time, right? All right, thank you.